Welcome to Soul Society, Herb Sparkles. Today, we're diving into natural remedies for warts, those stubborn little skin growths caused by the papillomavirus. Instead of turning to chemical treatments, why not explore the healing power of nature? From figs to garlic, simple kitchen ingredients can help you get rid of warts naturally and effectively. Stay with me as I guide you through these tried and virus from the papillomavirus group, which infects the epidermis and creates a small, hard, round lesion, often resembling a miniature cauliflower. They commonly appear on the fingers, the soles of the feet, and the toes, but any part of the skin can be affected. Standing water, such as in swimming pool foot baths, promotes their spread on the feet, especially in children. More than just a delicious fruit, figs can help get rid of warts. Cut the figs in half and extract the pulp, then place it in a container. Using a cotton swab, apply the preparation to the wart. Cover the wart with a bandage for 8 hours, using adhesive tape, for example. Repeat the application for about 15 days. Onions can help eliminate warts, mainly because they have antiseptic properties. Hollow out an onion and fill it with coarse salt. Rub the warts with the salted hollow, allowing the onion juice to flow onto them. Repeat morning and evening. Not only is the banana fruit beneficial for health, but its peel also contains substances that may dissolve warts. Apply the inner side of a piece of banana peel to the wart, then cover it with adhesive tape. Do this every night before bed. Combined with onion, salt can help remove warts. Hollow out 2/3 of a large onion and replace it with coarse sea salt. Let it sit in a bowl for about half an hour. Squeeze the onion over a bowl using a piece of gauze to filter the juice. Apply the obtained liquid to the wart twice a day, morning and evening, until it disappears, about a week. Garlic can aid in the healing of warts. Crush the garlic and apply it directly to the wart. Be careful not to touch healthy skin. Cover with a bandage. Repeat the application daily until the wart falls off. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Warning: plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the recommended doses. Nature has always provided us with powerful solutions, and these simple remedies are proof of that. Seedling, however, remember to be consistent and patient with natural treatments. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soul Society for more holistic healing tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay natural.